Winter doesn't make you look older. Winter exposes mistakes that were invisible in summer. The first one, and the most common, is black too close to the face. Black is elegant. Black is timeless. But in winter, black sits exactly where everyone looks first. Your coat collar, your scarf, your neckline. When black frames the face, it drains light from the skin. It sharpens shadows, it makes the jawline heavier and the eyes look tired. So the problem is not wearing black. The problem is black touching your face. Look at the typical winter outfit. Black coat, black scarf pulled high, black knit underneath. Warm? Yes. Flattering? No. Your face ends up surrounded by darkness, and visually it gets pulled down. The fix is simple and it doesn't require trends. Move black away from the face. Keep black where it works best, from the waist down, or as the outer frame of the outfit. Near the face, add light and space. It can be slim or chunky. Proportions are what matter. And that's the next mistake. And this is important. You're still dressed for winter. You're still warm. You're just no longer framing your face in darkness. So remember this rule. Black isn't the problem. Black touching your face is. Fix that one thing and half of the winter aging disappears. That can be a gray, ivory or soft beige knit under the coat, a mock neck instead of a scarf choking the jawline, or a scarf worn lower, not wrapped tight around the neck. This can be neutral or it can be color. The principle stays the same, even a small break matters. One lighter layer near the face lifts the whole look. Your skin looks fresher, your features look clearer. The outfit suddenly feels intentional instead of heavy. By the way, I'm putting all of these fixes into a short style notes guide from this video. If you want it, subscribe to the channel and join the email list. I'll send it out there. And channel members will receive it first. The second winter mistake is thick on thick. This is where winter really starts adding years. In summer, fabrics are thin, mistakes disappear. In winter, everything gets heavier, and suddenly every bad decision stacks. Thick knit, thick coat, thick scarf, all at once. Individually, these pieces are fine. Together, they create visual compression. The outfit stops having layers. It becomes one bulky mess. And when that happens, your body looks heavier, your posture looks shorter, and your face looks dragged down. This is why people say winter outfits feel tired or frumpy. It's not the clothes, it's the weight stacking. Here's the rule. It's not layers that age you. It's thick on thick. Winter layering should work like architecture. You need a thin base, a warm middle layer, and a structured outer layer. When everything is thick, nothing has hierarchy. So instead of chunky sweater, padded coat, and a heavy scarf, try a thinner knit or base layer, a warm but cleaner mid layer, and a coat that holds shape. The outfit instantly looks lighter, even though you're just as warm. Scarves matter here too. A thick scarf plus a thick knit is already a lot. Add a heavy coat on top and the neck area becomes crowded. Lower the scarf, loosen it, or skip it when the knit already does the job. You don't need less warmth, you need better distribution of weight. When winter outfits feel heavy, it's usually because everything is competing instead of supporting. Fix the thickness balance and suddenly your silhouette clears up, your proportions improve, and the outfit starts working for you, not against you. So remember this, layering is good, warmth is good. But thick on thick is what makes winter look old. The third winter mistake is oversized everywhere. This one is about shape. not warmth. And it's very common right now. Oversized is modern. Oversized is comfortable. Oversized can look incredibly chic, but only when it's controlled. The problem starts when everything is oversized at the same time. Oversized coat, oversized knit, wide pants, no anchor, no line, no contrast. When that happens, your body disappears inside the clothes. The outfit stops having a silhouette, and that reads as older. Not relaxed, not elegant, just shapeless. And here's the important distinction. You can wear oversized pieces. You just can't wear them everywhere. Winter outfits need one clear point of control, one place where the eye understands. Ah, this is the shape. So the rule is simple. If the top is oversized, the bottom needs to be cleaner. If the bottom is wide, the top needs to be more defined. If the coat is big, everything underneath must support it. Oversized works best when it's balanced. A big coat over a cleaner knit and straight leg trousers. Wide trousers with a shorter or more fitted top. A relaxed sweater paired with a sharper coat. You're not shrinking yourself, you're giving the outfit direction. Because when winter silhouettes collapse, the eye reads heavier, lower, older. But when there's balance, the outfit looks intentional. Modern, adult. So remember this rule. Oversized is modern. Oversized everywhere is aging. Fix the balance and the outfit instantly looks sharper, even if it's just as comfortable. The fourth winter mistake is outdated shoes. And this one ages outfits faster than people realize. In winter, shoes carry more visual weight than in summer, because coats are heavier, fabrics are thicker, silhouettes are larger. So when the shoes are too delicate, too thin, or stuck in an old era, the whole outfit collapses. This is the mistake. Ballet flats, very thin soles, old rounded toes, shoes that worked 10 years ago but don't hold up visually now. The result is a scale mismatch. The outfit looks top-heavy. Your proportions look off. And the look instantly reads older, even if everything else is right. And this is important. It's not about trends. It's about presence. Winter shoes need to visually support winter clothing. That means a bit more sole, a bit more structure, a clearer shape, a clean ankle boot, a modern loafer, a knee-high boot with a simple line. Nothing extreme, nothing aggressive, just shoes that can stand next to a coat and not disappear. And notice something interesting. You can wear very simple clothes, neutral, classic, minimal, and still look modern if the shoes are right. But if the shoes are outdated, even an expensive coat starts to look tired. So here's the rule. If your winter shoes look lighter than your winter coat, they're probably aging the outfit. Update the shoes, and suddenly the entire look feels sharper, more current, and more intentional. Because in winter, shoes aren't a detail. They're the foundation. The fifth winter mistake is no structure line. This is the quiet one. But it's also the reason many winter outfits feel unfinished. In winter, clothes get heavier, layers get thicker, and without structure, the outfit simply collapses. No shoulder definition, no waist suggestion, no vertical line, so the eye doesn't know where to go. When there's no structure line, the outfit becomes a soft block. And soft blocks read as lower, heavier, older. This is why people say, I don't know what's wrong, it's fine, but it feels off. What's missing is architecture. Structure does not mean tight. Structure means one clear line that holds the outfit together. And you only need one. It can be a belt at the waist, a coat with lapels or a wrap closure, a defined shoulder seam, a trouser crease that creates a vertical line. Just one signal that says, this outfit has intention. Without that signal, winter clothes blur together. With it, everything sharpens. Here's the key rule. If your outfit has volume, it needs structure. If your outfit is soft, it needs a line. Notice how little you actually have to change. The same coat looks different when it's belted. The same trousers look sharper with a crease. The same outfit feels elevated when the coat is worn closed instead of floating open. And once structure is present, something important happens. Your posture looks stronger. Your proportions look clearer. Your face looks more lifted, even though nothing touched your face. So remember this. Winter doesn't need more pieces. Winter needs one clear line. Add structure and the entire outfit stops aging you.